My name is Tamara McGrower. I'm the owner of Tamara is a Cake Guru. Tamara is a Cake Guru is located in Oshkosh and Appleton, Wisconsin. Our main production is in Oshkosh, and then we have 2 satellite locations in Appleton. I've been in business for 20 years. I started out just my husband and I really focusing on special order and wedding cakes. Wedding cakes are still a huge part of my business, but what we did is about 5 years ago we expanded into doing retail, and with that we really started focusing on our cupcakes. Now we have a database with over 800 cupcake flavors, and we are constantly changing and adding to that. Then we also do cookies, bars, brownies, macaroons, anything that you can imagine that's sweet, we do it. Favorite part of owning a bakery is actually people. I like to be able to get to know what they're looking for, and being a part of their celebration is the coolest part of being a bakery owner. So we've been a part of a wedding, and then, well, it could be like a graduation, a birthday, and all following along throughout their life. So people who I did their birthday cakes when they were little, now I've done their wedding cakes, then I do their kids' birthday cakes, and I love that. I won the Business Renovation of the Year Award from Valley Bakers Association this year. The Business Renovation of the Year Award from Valley Bakers was given to me actually for my new downtown location. It's a location that we were kind of stumped as to how to get the amount of product into it that we wanted to. So instead of doing the traditional cases that go horizontal, we actually built cases that go up, which gave us a ton more space. So you walk in and it's really just kind of bright with big white cases and lots of product, which was a goal of ours. I always try to be not the trend follower, but a trend setter. It's really what my business model is, so the award meant a lot to me. My relationship with Valley Bakers has been really great. They really offer a lot of resources, whether it be resources for learning, which I think is fantastic, and then resources helping me find products I need. They'll help me deal with the different issues we've had, like with the changing of trans fat. They've helped me with pricing, finding things that are reasonable priced. They've given me opportunities to train my staff in different ways, offering different seminars and learning opportunities that I've been able to send my staff to. They actually gave me continuing education, allowing me the opportunity to go to Chicago, go to the Barry Callebaut chocolate seminar, and I learned a ton there from the chef there. Another thing also is their annual meetings and anything that they do, their food show, because networking with other bakers is absolutely something I love as well. We can always learn from each other. There's tons of business to go around, and the better those relationships are with other bakers, the better we all are.